Despite the global economic downturn, we Optis have grown rapidly with our continued efforts to explore opportunities and develop new technologies. With the launch of ODD products in 2012, we are preparing to take off as an EMS provider in the fields of smartphone camera modules, autofocus actuators. Since our foundation in 2005, we have earned recognition from our global business partners for what we have done successfully for development of technologies, improvement of quality and productivity, and delivery of competitive prices, while specializing in the production of optical pickup units and spindle motors, which are the key components of optical disc drives. In particular, with full support from global electronic giants Samsung Electronics and Toshiba, we have succeeded in acquiring an ODD production line from Samsung Electronics. Accordingly, in the ODD business field, we have been reborn as a competitive player who is able to stably manufacture and supply key components and finished products. Above all, it is significant that we have acquired the electronics manufacturing service EMS, such as the SAP R3 EMS from Samsung Electronics, a global electronics pacesetter, and thus has come to bring more advanced know-how of technology, production, and management in the EMS area. This will make us a smart EMS provider by helping us achieve future-oriented innovations in the business lines of autofocus actuators and smartphone core components. Optis products have already demonstrated their superiority in the market. All our optical pickup modules have been supplied to Samsung Electronics and Samsung Electromechanics, and now we have achieved a share of 16% in the optical pickup market, monopolized by Japanese companies. Furthermore, we have received investments from South Korea's largest venture capital firm, Skylake Incuvest, and succeeded in raising funds with selection as a hidden champion by the Export-Import Bank. This is proof of our technological competence and reliability. We Optis have grown dramatically with our outstanding technological competence and innovative management. In 2007, only 2 years after our business startup, we launched in the Philippines as a plant with a production capability of up to 1.5 million optical pickup units per month. Now we have a workforce of more than 10,000 at 4 plants in the country, including the production line for finished products acquired from Samsung Electronics and another one for ODD components. In 2011, we exceeded our sales target of 270 billion won and export target of $100,000 million, almost twice compared to 2010. In 2012, we achieved sales of 290 billion won and an export volume of $200 million and received an Export Tower Award from President Lee Myung-bak for such achievements. Now we have a diverse product portfolio including OPUs for desktop, OPUs for laptop, slim ODD motors, and actuators for camera modules. We are well organized to plan and manufacture key components and finished products in a consistent manner in the ODD business field, so we can ensure the prevention of stockouts and the timely delivery of products. We are planning to launch a business of smartphone core components in 2015 with the complete formation of business divisions responsible for individual business lines and the organization of an ODD team and mobile team in each division. This will enable us to grow beyond our status as a supplier of electronic components and expand into a group of complementary business organizations. Ultimately, all this will help our position as a global leader in the smart EMS area. We have prepared for our future with firm confidence and continued investments in technology development and quality improvement, and maintained strong growth through the combined efforts of our hardworking staff and management. Optis, with a new growth engine, will continue taking powerful steps forward towards a world-leading smart EMS provider.